Good day everyone, my name is Lorenzo Velasco Corbilos from BIT Auto 2A. Today I discuss with the lubrication system. A lubrication system is an engine is designed to reduce friction and wear between moving parts. And we have a sub parts of lubrication system. First is the oil pump. The oil pump is circulate oil through the engine. The oil pump is there. Next is oil pan or sump. The oil pan is collects and store the oil. All oil is collects. And next we have a oil cooler. This mock-up is no oil cooler. The oil cooler is regulates oil temperature to prevent overheating. Next is a oil filter. The oil filter is removes contaminants from the oil. All contaminants from oil will remove using oil filter. And next is bearings and journals. Surface that benefit from lubrication to minimize friction. All metal have a friction. As the engine runs, the lubrication system is ensure the components are adequately coated with oil, preventing metal-to-metal contact and extending the engine's lifespan. Regular oil changes are essential to maintain the effectiveness of lubrication system.